Here's the date and time in the Garmin Furniture 620, and we are at the place called the Chicago Railway Exchange, which I thought was a Chicago Architecture Foundation, but wasn't. So these elevators are Fujitec with Dewhurst.
They got Dewhurst.
Yeah. So we're gonna head up to 17.
Well, there are 3 floors you can visit. First we have the 10th floor, then 14th floor, and then 17th floor. Where do you want to go?
I went 10.
17.
Okay.
What's 17 floors?
Yeah, 17.
All are architecture companies.
And what are the firms? Which one is on which?
In 10th floor do you have the OSH, and then in 14 is Stantec, and in the top is Gosh Partners.
And where did you say SOM?
Yeah.
Which one?
In the 10th floor.
10th? This is 10?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
There's an atrium, look at that.
Oh wow, that's cool. Look at that.
Okay, we're going up. You just want to fold it up, Sorry.
No, it's
My coffee's gonna dump.
okay. Beautiful boy. Okay.
What floor was next?
Anyone want to go to the 14th floor
You wanna do 14 next?
or only
We'll
17?
do 14.
We'll do 14.
Okay.
I was like 14 and 17. We'll do 17 last.
Yeah, I like to film elevators as a hobby.
This is 14.
Come on, Elijah. Thank you.
I can show you guys the hotel that's
Alright. That's cool.
Where are you from?
I'm from Milwaukee.
Palatine.
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, very nice.
Mexico.
There you are in the top.
Nice.
Nice
Alright.
visit.
Yep.
Have a great day.
Adios.
Gracias. Yeah,
Exactly.
pretty good. Speak Spanish.
I kind of struggle sometimes though, but I know some Spanish too. So yeah, guys. Anyways, here we are up at the 17th floor,
17th floor.
and look at this, guys. You can see all the way down.
Wish they put glass elevators in here.
Dude, they should.
Ooh, you guys want to go to we should go to
I'm with heights.
No. But yeah. Just gotta be careful not to drop your
Don't
camera.
drop the camera.
Yeah, but look at this. Like, there's literally like a glass dome down there, and all the way up here. I'm gonna try to point the camera way over the sunlight.
Yeah, that's right. Because of the sunlight.
And look at this, guys. Look at this like model of Chicago.
You seen that,
That's cool.
Oh yeah, that is cool.
They seem to be like working on it or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a photo. This is
Alright.
this reminds me.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Anyways, let's just stop the camera because we're going to take some pictures.
Exactly. So that's gonna be it for now.
That's it for now.
So now we're gonna head back down these elevators.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna head back down to 1.
Wait there, Mr. Elder.
We really want
Get it to ourselves now.
Yeah.
Awesome.
What's interesting about this elevator is that like inside it's a center open 2-speed, but from the outside it looks like it's a center open.
Yeah, that's a lot of elevators like that.
You're in jail.
Yeah.
Here at Marquee in New York's like that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of
Anyways,
older ones.
let's get a
A lot
cab
of-
view.
Yeah, a lot of the older elevators
Some
here
here.
are like that.
Hi.
I love the black COP. It reminds me
Sorry
of
about that. Had trouble getting my camera started.
It
Look at
reminds
this
me of
cab. I
Series
love this
6.
cab.
Oh yeah. Sorry about
Oh,
that. We were
it's
starting
a
the
meme.
camera.
Hi.
That place is a meme.
I know.
Here's your indicator. Here's your fixtures.
Oh look, the color changed red because we're going down.
Oh wow, yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's cool.
That's cool, yeah. Yeah, they have these lanterns above the headers. So there it goes. And yeah, it's gonna go down to the base. We're gonna watch it real quick. Yep, it just changed. So yeah, guys. Those were the elevators here. Here's a floor enunciator right there. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video of the elevators here. And that's it.